Medyo your reaction lang po kasi may mga criticism sa anti-political dynasty bill na hindi daw talaga anti, kundi pro. Your thoughts po?
I'm glad you brought that up. Those concerns are actually very warranted. And naiintindihan ko naman kung saan nanggagaling yung mga tao. Ang sa amin lang, and I will explain to you guys the process of how this works. And actually, as majority leader, it is part of my job. You always have to check what the numbers are for each bill, lalo na kapag LEDAC priority. Binibilang mo talaga yung mga boto kung gaano kalaki ang suporta ng Kamara. Now, if you look at the numbers of the people that voted for the anti-political dynasty bill, overwhelming majority. Now, the way it works is you consult the party leaders before the vote. So tatanungin mo sa kanila, ilan ba talaga ang boto ng NUP? Ilan talaga ang boto ng NP? Gaano kalaki ang suporta sa NPC? And it becomes a consultative dialogue between the leadership and the party leaders to check how much support there is for that said bill. I am of the opinion, and nakita naman talaga namin, na should you make that bill stricter and more constrictive, nawawala yung suporta ng lower house. And you know, let's call a spade a spade. Eh, marami talagang political dynasty dito sa lower house. You know, I'd be an idiot if I said I wasn't from one either. Let's be honest with ourselves here. So it's not hindi naman yan ginawa dahil yan ang gusto namin na ipasa na bill. Ginawa namin yan because that was the limit as to the support that we could garner from the lower chamber. Now, like what the other reporter asked, may BICAM pa. I highly doubt that the Senate will adopt the House version. So, may sarili silang debate, may sarili silang provisions, may sarili silang version. When they pass their version of the anti-political dynasty bill, there will be a bicameral conference, and then there will be another opportunity to amend whatever provisions the upper house think to be inadequate or not tenable to the Filipino people. So to answer your question, it was really a matter of getting it through already na ipasa natin dito sa House to get the conversation started. This is not the final result of what the bill will be. Hindi po ito batas. This is just the version that we in the lower house were able to produce and garner support for. Because had it been more strict, baka hindi tayo makakakuha ng boto.